Artificial intelligence scary scenarios. Trillions of dollars are spent yearly on artificial intelligence due to its importance in the sector of technological advancements. However, this technology has significant ethical consequences on society and humanity. In this video we will list some of the scariest future scenarios for artificial intelligence. Job losses are probably the biggest worry. Experienced and innovative employees will still be needed to create a collection of narrow-focused apps, but this will not replace the expected mass unemployment. Although it is conceivable to mitigate the labor market harm caused by AI by upskilling and the creation of new occupations, and even the implementation of a universal basic income, it is evident that the issue of job losses will not be resolved anytime soon. Another scary scenario is war. The use of AI in military applications, warfare decision-making and the creation of killer robots could result in starting World War III. Also in the field of healthcare, AI plays an important role in diagnosing illnesses very early and performing precise medical operations. However, sometimes AI could lead to wrong diagnostics because it cannot be programmed to deal with all medical scenarios. Experts also fear that AI could be used for mass surveillance. According to a New York Times study published recently, China presently has an estimated 200 million surveillance cameras. The fifth scary scenario of AI is discrimination among gender and races, especially when it comes to machine learning. For example, the AI machines tends to form a bias towards certain racial groups in fields such as facial recognition, language processing and stereotyping. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.